Hello everybody, today we have a short 10-minute full body warm-up or cool down which you can use at the end of a class or at the beginning of a class if you feel like you would like a little bit of a longer time to get into the body or to release the body at the end of a class. This is perfect if you're feeling a little extra stiff or if the movements are quite new to you and you need that little bit of extra time to either warm up the body or cool the body back down to help it to adjust to the moves that you'll be learning and help you recover and build strength and also just build more mind to body connection. I hope you enjoy it. All right, we're starting with our legs wide. We're going to cross those arms and plie, stretching the arms up overhead and bringing that back down. Plie, inhale and exhale. Crossing the arms, plie, inhale, and exhale. Breath is really important here. Breathing in and breathing out. Good. Let's bring the feet a little more parallel. We're lunging side to side, foot to foot. Shifting the weight. Shifting and shifting. Remember, again, with everything, it doesn't matter how big your lunge is or how big your movement is. It can be tiny. It can be teeny, teeny, tiny. Whatever is good for your body, just move. Just be here and be present. Good. We're going to add a little shoulder roll. Shoulder roll. Letting the chest be loose and relaxed. Roll. Roll. Excellent. Bringing the arms up, feet slightly together. Reaching up. We're going to stretch and stretch. Stretch to the side. Small movement is fine. Stretch. And breathing. Breathe out. Breathe in. Out. In. Arms gently down. Rolling one shoulder and then the other. Roll one and the other. Roll one and front to back. Breathing nice deep breaths. That's how you regulate your body back down, by the breath. And also by breathing deeply, you're bringing a lot of blood, oxygen into the bloodstream and circulating it throughout your body. A few more. And roll. Really moving through as much motion as you can get there comfortably. Arms to the side, sliding the chest really gently, really gently. No technique here. We're not trying to do the move as we've broken it down before. We're just relaxing things, moving things. Stretching gently. Arms up, let's stretch to the side. Getting little is fine, but what we want is a reach up to the corner of the ceiling, not down to the ground, up and across, breathing. And center, other side, breathing. Keep reaching for that top corner. And center. Bringing the hands to the waist now. Circling those hips, or hands to the hips rather. Just loosening everything up. And the other way, always go both ways. Still breathing nice and deep and calm. Remember, this isn't a workout, it's just regulating the body, getting the body either warmed up or cooled down if you've just been working out. Good. little scoop, scoop, scoop. Again, gentle, really gentle. And scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, 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 scoop. Let's lift and lower the ankles, the heels. Lifting and lowering. Circling one. The other way, you can hold on to something. There's no shame in that. Nothing wrong with it whatsoever. Foot back down, other foot. Circle. And the other way. Good, feet together, knees, super important. Circle one way. Again, small is fine. It can be tiny. Let's go the other way. Circle the knees. Circle. You'll feel this as well in the ankles. Super good for mobility. We're going out to in. Pushing the knees out and together. Out and together. And the other way. In and out. Even just these 4 movements for your knees. Really, really good. Again, feels so nice. Good. Coming up, I'm going to show you from the side. We're going to do some cat and cow. So we're going to roll, arching that spine as low as you can comfortably go. Rolling up, starting from the bottom of the spine. Slow and controlled. Even here, a small movement is fine. Arching. Breathing. Breathe in. And breathe out. Enjoy the movement, enjoy the feeling. So many benefits to your body, your spine by doing just this. And out. And in. All the way up. Let's lift the neck and lower. Again, only as much as you can go pain-free. There should be no pain at all. Side to side. To as far as you can go without any pain. Doing that improves your mobility in your neck and will prevent injuries. And we're going to do side to side. Lifting, again, no pain. Gentle with your body. Little movement is fine. Don't think of the head coming down, think of this going up. Up, gentle, really gentle. Don't want you to pull anything here. Circle one way. Just the neck. Try not to move the shoulders or the chest. One more, same way. Very good, other way. Just the neck. Staying tall in the body though. Very good. Arms up, we'll stretch out that tricep. Because we know after doing belly dancing, your arms are always dead from being held out for so long. So gentle stretch here. And switch arms. Again, only as far as you can go pain-free. Very important, because if you're giving your body pain when you're trying to relax it, that's sending signals to your brain saying you're in danger because you're in pain. So that's not going to help it to relax. So that's why we want pain-free. A gentle stretch is different than pain. And across. Stretching through the arm. Deep breaths. And the other side, stretch. Breathing. I'm going to do a few more pliés here. Plie. Breathing in, breathing out. If you like, you can come down to a squat and do a gentle press and rotation. And the other side. Let's do another plie, breathing in and breathing out. Amazing. So feel free to use this whenever you need, when you need to warm up or cool down or just get a little bit of movement into your body. This is here for you. If you can leave me a comment or a like, I would really appreciate that to know how you're getting on. And I will see you next time. Bye.